Still on business, as Nigeria battles its worst foreign exchange crisis ever, top economics at SPM Professionals Paul Alaje says the solution can be realized in a couple of weeks if the supply side can be worked on. Recall that the federal government announced that it is targeting to raise $10 billion to increase the foreign exchange liquidity to stabilize the naira. To solve the FX problem, Alaja says Nigeria needs about $20 million to clear the country's backlog, adding that there will be a need to sell local bonds in FX as well as excess bonds in domiciliary accounts.
We might need to sell local bond in FX. Most of the money that are seated in DOM accounts need to be sold as form of bond. I could see T-bills going for over 16%, bond going for an amount higher than that. So if you bring lower interest rates and you go to the debt market and raise capital, nearly $30 billion already in Nigerian market, Nigeria banking system in form of DOM accounts. We need to rebrand, we need to remarket, we need to re-advocate how dollars should come to our system. If you can do this, you will not need to borrow any money. You will not need to look for new foreign direct investment, even though those are important. But can we convert what we need by appealing to depositor, a rate that is important? The question will be, what is the assurance that if government rates a dollar-based, euro-based, or FX-based bond in Nigeria, when it's time to redeem these bonds, when they are due, what is the guarantee that the government of Nigeria will not give excuses? I will really look at revenue windows where government can rent some of this money from Osun all the way to Zamfara. We have gold. We have heard that some of this gold will bring prosperity to Nigerians. When I checked the 2024 budget, it was a number that was completely missing as to what government will realize for mineral resources.
That's true.
The only resource that is stated is crude oil. What happened to gold? What happened to lithium? What happened to diamond? What happened to other raw materials that we have in abundance, just like crude, on the soil of Nigeria? We must understand that for us to bring Nigeria from the current economic quagmire to the place of prosperity, growth, and development, we must roll our sleeves and see where the monies are. And government must come with the support of subnational, federal government and subnational, must become purposeful to end the crisis.